So DJI might be working on a mirrorless camera, and yeah, that's got a lot of people raising their eyebrows. Not because it's a wild idea, but because honestly, it kind of makes sense. I mean, they've already got the drones, the gimbals, the action cams, the mics. DJI's been slowly building up this camera empire from all angles. A mirrorless camera, that could be the final piece of the puzzle. Think about it, they own Hasselblad, they've mastered stabilization tech, and their drones already carry high-end camera systems. It's like they've been sneaking up on the camera industry this whole time, and now they might just drop the mic with something bold. The real buzz kicked off in January when DJI support replied to someone asking about a mirrorless camera with a super vague but very suspicious message. Stay tuned, our mysterious new product is coming soon. And then they deleted it. Yep, deleted. Which of course only made people more suspicious. Since then, it's been rumor city. Some folks think we're getting a full-frame sensor with built-in stabilization. Others are betting on some kind of hybrid 360 cam instead. Now, if you head over to DJI's website today, it's still all about drones and handhelds. No mirrorless camera in sight. But that hasn't stopped people from poking around. There's even talk about a DJI Huawei team up on this, which sounds wild but kind of interesting. Again, zero confirmation, just whispers. The camera community, totally split. Some are hyped, hoping for something that'll give Sony, Canon, and Nikon a run for their money. Others are more like, cool story DJI, but this isn't a drone, you sure about this? Still, if DJI does pull this off, we could be looking at a camera with Hasselblad's gorgeous color science, next level stabilization, and maybe even some AI smarts baked in. It's all speculation right now, but the ingredients are there. For now, we wait. DJI hasn't said anything official, but all signs point to something coming, maybe by the end of the year. And if they really are stepping into the mirrorless game, things are about to get really interesting. If you like this one, the next one's even better. Catch you there. Peace.